An extraordinary measure under extraordinary circumstances. The Biden administration will support giving poorer countries access to COVID-19 vaccine patents, making a sharp U-turn from its previous policy. The decision was announced in a statement by U.S. Trade Representative Katherine Tai.
The administration believes strongly in intellectual property protections, but in service of ending this pandemic, supports the waiver of those protections for COVID-19 vaccines.
The decision could pave the way for vaccine production in developing countries, speeding up efforts to immunize the global population. This as the pandemic continues to rage across the globe. The World Health Organization has hailed the move as a monumental moment. According to the UN body, poor countries have received 0.2% of global supply, while rich countries have walked away with 87% of available doses. Meanwhile, the pharmaceutical industry has blasted the move, insisting that it will not save lives.
This decision will sow confusion between public and private partners, further weaken already strained supply chains, and foster the proliferation of counterfeit vaccines.
Drug companies say that manufacturing vaccines is a complex process, and that easing intellectual property rights will do nothing to help ramp up production. They also argue that it will undermine incentives to develop vaccines in the future. WTO member states will seek to hammer out a deal in the coming weeks, but it could be months before they reach a consensus, as other vaccine producers, including the European Union, continue to oppose a waiver.